Hi everyone, this is Jayden from Vince Group SG. Today we are going to review one of the most popular compact luxury SUV, which is the GLA180 Urban Plus Edition. The GLA180 Urban Edition comes with the night package, which includes the gloss black radiator grille, side mirror caps, roof railings, and the fog lights. It also comes standard with the 18-inch rims and tires, giving it an overall sporty feel. The Urban Plus Edition includes features such as keyless entry, push-start engine, panoramic roof, and the auto tailgate function. The GLA180 is categorized under the CAT A COE, which makes it a more affordable option in the market. Our company offers 7 years warranty and free servicing with 2 of our own in-house workshops. Call me now to find out more how you can drive away this GLA180 with 15k down payment right now.